Howdy fine folks, my name is Landon with Silver Moon Trailers in Jonesboro, Arkansas. Today we're going to talk about the B&R trailer 82x14 14K dump. This is a really good value, it's a great buy. This trailer can handle all of your light to medium duty jobs. It's built a whole lot like the Big Tex 14LP. A lot of the same features, we'll go over them right now. This trailer features an adjustable Bulldog coupler up front. They're calling this an 8K jack now. It's a little bit smaller than the one that's on the Big Tex, but it gets the job done. Heavy duty safety chains, standard toolbox. Check out the toolbox. Got your hydraulic lift, your pump, your battery, everything securely down in there. That also locks. I've also got your 3-prong connector here on the outside. This trailer features 8-lug tires on the 7K axles, both brake axles. This is where the B&R trailer compares very closely to the Big Tex 14LP. You've got swinging gate doors here. Got D-rings mounted inside, one in each corner. The ramps are going to be under here. Locked in there. Got case lighting. 3 marker lights here, just like the Big Tex. Undercoating all throughout. It's a solid buy. Working man's trailer for the working man. B&R trailer 82x14 14K dump has an entry-level price. It doesn't do entry-level work. It does high-level pro work. It's a great trailer to own. Check it out at Silver Moon Trailers, Jonesboro, Arkansas.